Let's go through all the contract files that I'm selling. I will show each of these and I will deploy most of them on Remix, and I will show you how to deploy and how to compile first and what you need to change before you hit compile. I have an advanced Honeypot code where you can enable or disable trading or just the sales, so it can work as a legit code if you want. I've coded everything into this contract, like separate buy and separate sell tax, transfer tax fee, burn tax, liquidity tax, staking tax, and separate marketing tax. So you can do whatever you want. You can transfer ownership and you can log the sales, and you can change almost everything after deployment if you want. Here is the Honeypot contract pack. Each of these are coded with fee options, and I have a simple Honeypot code that you can easily deploy, and you can rip off people by removing liquidity. First of all, we need to select the code and copy it and paste it on Remix. Only the owner can sell the tokens, everybody else is unable to sell, including sniper bots. When you are on Remix, you need to change the HTTPS connection to HTTP, so we need a not secure connection, because this way you can deploy the contract with MetaMask, otherwise it will give you an error. At contract, create a new contract, let's name it to token.so, paste the code and change the values. You need to change the contract your token name to your own name that you want. Change the name and symbol and change the total supply if you want. Make sure that you select the correct Solidity version when you are compiling, so you need to select the same compiler version and hit compile. Untick everything under compiler configuration. After compile, you can select the deploy and run transactions menu, and there you select injected Web3. You need to approve the connection with MetaMask. You need to choose the correct wallet that you would like to use when you deploy it. Select the contract that you would like to deploy. Approve the transaction and you are done. Bang, and it's ready. Copy the contract address and go to BSC scan to check it. Sometimes you need to wait on BSC scan. As you can see, you need to refresh it. You need to wait a little. Then we can go to PancakeSwap to add liquidity. You need to connect your wallet that you would like to use. In this case, I'm using MetaMask. PancakeSwap, sometimes you need to disconnect your wallet and reconnect it after you deploy the contract, because you won't be able to see it when you want to hit import. So then you just need to disconnect and reconnect, and then you will be able to import your contract address. Here you can select how many tokens you would like to add to the liquidity pool. You can keep like 10% of the tokens for yourself to be able to sell, and that way you will have red candles on the charts. I went through the complete liquidity adding process in my first video, so make sure that you follow that one, because this one is only just a guide with the basic steps. Here is another Honeypot contract that I will just deploy for you. And done. We will check our token again on BSC scan. And the process is the same. You import the address and add the liquidity. I don't want to go through each of these because that takes a lot of time, but the process is the same as you can see. Let's check out the blacklistable BSC code. This one is pretty awesome because you can control which wallets will be able to sell. So it's not actually a honeypot, but you can log the sales. After you deploy the blacklistable code, on BSC scan you will be able to change values. You will be able to blacklist wallet addresses. You need to copy the wallet addresses from BSC scan on the transactions menu that you would like to blacklist. You just change the value to true or false. True means that the wallet will be logged. False means it will be able to sell. And here is another tricky one, the burn address to the owner, where the burn fee is routed back to the owner address. And here is the advanced code, my favorite one. I really like it because you can control a lot of things in this contract. Let's scroll through all the options that you can control on BSC scan. After your purchase, I will walk you through all of these features one by one. If you just want to do a quick and easy honeypot scam, then the Honeypot BSC code pack is the right choice for you. You can make a lot of money by using each of these contracts. The advanced honeypot code is only needed if you want to lock or unlock trading or just the sales after you release your contract. And it can be cool to change the fee values when the project is rising. As you can see, the zipped files from Telegram are containing the contract codes that I just deployed in this video.